One more question from the applications of trigonometry, which was a very interesting one. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The distance between foot of the tree to the point where top of the tree touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. Here I have drawn the figure to the data. Let me explain what are representing what. Here AB is the height of the tree before it breaks, and C is the broken point. At point C it is broken and touches the ground at D. This broken part, this is the broken part of the tree. Broken part making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Then what is the height of the tree AB? So what are given? Already in the figure we have mentioned enough. Let us write once again. AB is equal to height of the tree. Height of tree. CD, that is AC is equal to CD is equal to broken part. Broken part of tree. Angle BDC, that is angle made by the broken part with the ground, is 30 degrees. Here you have to find, it is right triangle. From this right triangle you have to find hypotenuse, that is the length of the broken part, and opposite side to the 30. If you can add these two, you will get the height of the tree. Let us find BC and CD by taking necessary trigonometric ratios. First of all, I would like to find the broken part. And one more thing, the distance from the foot of the tree to the top of the tree touches the broken top of the tree which touches the ground is 8 meters. Okay, now let us go to the calculation. In right triangle CBD, take cos 30. What is adjacent to 30 degrees? That is BD. Hypotenuse is CD, which would imply cos 30 root 3 by 2 is equal to BD means 8 by CD. So do cross multiplication. Root 3 times CD is equal to 16, which implies CD is equal to 16 by root 3. 16 by root 3 meters. Let it be one result. That means the length of the broken part is 16 by root 3 meters. Now let us take opposite side adjacent side related by tan. Tan 30 degrees. Opposite to 30 BC. Adjacent is BD, which would imply tan 30 1 by root 3 is equal to BC by BD means 8. Bring this 8 into LHS, it will multiply and goes into numerator. That is BC is equal to 8 by root 3 meters. So we got another one. Therefore, height of the tree is equal to AB. That is equal to AB is sum of these two parts, AC plus BC. Here one more thing we have forgot. These broken part are equal. So CD is equal to AC. CD is equal to AC is equal to 16 by root 3 meters. AB is sum of these two segments, AC plus BC. AC means 16 by root 3 plus BC means 8 by root 3. Both are like fractions. 24 by root 3. 24 can be written as 3 into 8. 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3. If you 1 root 3 gets cancelled, you will get 8 root 3 meters. 8 root 3 meters. You can easily understand the simplification. I have done some rationalization there. Thank you. I hope you understand. Which is the simplest question. You may be asked for 4 marks.